No knives, no gunpoint, nothing. He agrees. Which is just rude because मेरा पहले का सारा recording is a waste. So hi guys, welcome to the video. So we've been in IKEA since. Time क्या हो रहा है? Hold on. हम लोग 2 घंटे से यहाँ पे
5 दिन हो गए अंकिता।
5 दिन हो गए।
1 घंटा ही हुआ है।
5 बज गए। हम लोग 3 बजे आए थे। There is no sense of time in here. Look at this guy. And look who this is. United finally had his meetup and all of the mods are now burning with jealousy, hopefully. And so we did a little bit of shopping, completely useless things जो हम लोग को नहीं चाहिए. चाहिए. You think we need this? Look at this guy.
ये होता है यूजफुल।
He's cute. We need him. So I'm getting plants, but I'm getting fake plants क्योंकि अगर मैं वो fake plants को साफ नहीं रख पाई और डस्ट भी नहीं रख पाई तो फिर I should not be getting real plants क्योंकि वो मर जाएंगे. So I got pink pots for the plants. बस हम लोग ने 2 घंटे में इतना किया.
That's it.
That's all they did in 2 hours. We are in the bathroom section and I don't really need much from here. I need a toothbrush and toothpaste holder and
बेटे मौज कर दी।
I need that holder and what else do I need? I need a soap dispenser. और हम लोग बैठे हैं towel वाले. Don't reveal my phone number to people. Do you like these?
Yes.
It's made of paper, Mohan. Heating costs inside the honeycomb structure creates a layer of insulation. I don't know what any of this means, but it looks nice. Hi, Kunali.
ग्रीन कलर में आएगा तो आपका ग्रीन स्किन बन जाएगा।
सर ग्रीन कलर का कितने का आएगा सर? Okay, yeah, he officially hates me.
50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह।
So we are in the bathroom section. No, this is the bedroom / bathroom section because there's pillows. I picked up a pillow, an ergonomic pillow. Obviously, you sleep the other way, this way. And then I picked up a cute strawberry candle, bathroom essentials, toothbrush, toothpaste holder. रोहन ये ब्लैक स्क्रीन क्यों हो गया बीच में?
It's still recording, but it's saving battery by not showing you the screen. So it's still recording.
Okay, so it's still recording. Technical Ankita at your service. So this is the toothbrush toothpaste holder, this is the soap dispenser, and this is the soap dish. So it came in a set. I planned on buying the 60 rupees wala soap dispenser, but I ended up buying an expensive one because they match. Rohan tried taking the GoPro away from me, but I just held on to it.
कॉपीराइट वाले गाने चल रहे हैं।
Well, I guess I will just not monetize this video. Yeah. Did you have fun at IKEA?
कुछ और ऐसे सडनली सवाल मत पूछो मेरे को।
Okay, now you had 12 seconds. Did you have fun at IKEA?
Yes.
Yes, you had fun at IKEA. See, he had fun at IKEA. He had fun because I was there. I made it fun. Right? Right? No knives, no gunpoint, nothing. He agrees. He's tired.
Not really, but okay.
I'm tired. So we did a lot of shopping and another copyright song.
be still here. Just to suffer.
Thank you, they stopped the music. Lovely. They started the music. Wow, how do I vlog in this? Anyway, so yeah, we did a lot of shopping. There you go, you can see it there. That's all of our stuff in that trolley cart, I don't know. And अभी हम लोग रुके हैं मेरे बाकी के सामान के लिए जो उन लोगों को कहीं ऊपर से निकाल के लाना है. So they take some time. 10 मिनट हो गए हैं. It's at 3 minutes, but we're just sitting here. It's still in preparations. They have food. Food is open. I want to try the meatballs. I don't know if I can. The meatballs. I want them. Okay, we are finally done with our IKEA shopping.
Would you mind wearing the seatbelt? वो जो बज रहा है.
Oh, it's for
Is
me.
because of that.
Okay. Yes, so we are finally done with shopping at IKEA. काफ़ी सारी शॉपिंग किया मैंने. Mostly stuff that I need, and then you know a stuff toy which I did not need, but it was essential. So United 1.5 years से रुका है मीटअप के लिए. 1.5 years और उसको हम लोग सीधा पूरे दिन शॉपिंग ले गए. और मैं रूड नहीं हूँ. मैंने फ्रांटिस से पूछा था उसको कुछ चाहिए तो I offered him a plant also. He did not want it.
Fake one, not even a real one.
He could have said if he wants a real plant.
नहीं है इनके पास रियल वाला.
है. अरे वो बंदे ने स्टोरी में डाली थी. पागल है क्या?
Chill, bro.
Bro, you don't like your life or?
I mean, I agree. Customer service is
The worst
Prime.
job ever, but you don't have to run in front of cars for that. Yes, so apparently they do have real plants. No, that guy put up a story ना. पूरा section है real plants का. हमको दिखे नहीं.
right. I think we missed. I think we missed a few things.
Yeah, I think we missed a few things because मतलब काफ़ी कुछ हम लोग को ऐसे दिखाई नहीं दिया था ना. मतलब जो लिविंग रूम टाइप का भी सेक्शन था डेकोर वाला, वहाँ पे we did not see like spaces for bathrooms and stuff. You know, वो pre-designed वाले. I don't know, there was a lot going on in there and a lot of music going on in there, which is just rude because मेरा पहले का सारा recording is a waste. So hi guys, welcome to the video. Finally, we went to IKEA. We had fun. We did shopping. We missed out on a few places.
It is huge.
It is huge.
Also, that's what she said.
Yeah. But it is. But I thought there were 3 floors. There are only 2 floors. किसने लिखा था अबे 3 floors? नीचे तो पार्किंग है.
No, it's like ground, first, and basement. So 3 floors. Probably that's what they meant.
We did not get to eat the meatballs though. हम लोग गलत सेक्शन में चले गए खाने के and वहाँ पे सिर्फ snacks थे. And I asked the guy, do you guys have meatballs? And he said, oh no, we don't have all that. Yeah. So he said that उनके पास meatballs. Right जाना है. Okay. He said उनके पास meatballs है ही नहीं.
क्योंकि कैफे के पास मीटबॉल्स नहीं होते अंकिता.
अरे तो isn't it his job to say मैडम आपको ऊपर वाले फ्लोर पे मिलेगा? He did not say ऊपर रेस्टोरेंट. We had just entered and I was like भूख लगी है, खाना दो. So we went and I had a slice of pizza is what I had. और मुझे खाना था meatballs जो मैं इतने दिन से excited थी. And then we went to the first floor and we saw वहाँ पे एक entire different and much bigger food court है, proper वाला with proper food in it. And they had meatballs and I did not get to eat it the entire day. And they shut by 7 to follow the new curfew guidelines. That was bad. I guess I have to come back to try that. क्योंकि खाना तो मतलब खाना ही है ना. How can I come? जाने वापस आते हैं. मैं जाने में वापस आऊँगी.
Of course, I have to come.
मैं स्पैगेटी खाऊंगी. Yeah.
क्या बोल रहा है?
सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग में बस
मस्त ना. इधर हम IKEA में 6 फुट दूर रह रहे.
I loved it. The social distancing was bap. I loved it.
At least by the staff.
At least by the staff. Like they were following like good strict guidelines.
And they were making people follow guidelines except for this one guy anyway. Let's not expose that one guy. Let's expose that one guy. Who the fuck? हाँ भाई हम लोग 5 जन हैं लिफ्ट में. 4 की लिमिट है, हम फिर भी 5 है क्योंकि 3 of us, 2 of them a couple. And he sent 5 more people inside the lift. 10 people in a lift meant for 4.
And that guy is like, sir आप फैमिली हो ना,
हाँ,
फैमिली
आप जाओ
साथ
ना,
में
सर,
चिपक के
आप
रहो
और भी जाओ, आप
और
और भी
बाकी
जाओ।
लोग social
हाँ, ये पूरा
distancing कर
corner
रहे हैं।
आप ले लो, बाकी लोग सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग कर रहे हैं। I'm like, तू पागल है क्या? इधर मैं ये कपल के साथ चिपक के खड़ी हूँ जैसे हमारा थ्रीसम चालू है, और वो उधर TMI नहीं चालू था। लेकिन guys, don't worry. Yeah, that was, I think this last part of exiting towards the parking lot was the only time we had like an irritating experience. Everything else was fine.
Mildly.
Yeah, it was just irritating. Like, why would you do that when there are like 3 lifts, 4 lifts?
This sounds like a rant, but it isn't.
It
बाकी सब
isn't.
अच्छा था.
Yeah, it was fun. You guys should definitely go. And if you guys are, confrontational, अगर you will stand up for yourself, तो फिर तुम्हारे साथ ये last वाला experience भी नहीं होगा. But we were just non-confrontational, so we never really say anything, right? Yeah.
जितना ट्रैफिक है वो राइट जा नहीं सकते मैं।
अरे बंद आएंगे हम ट्रैफिक से रास्ता। रोहन सायरन लगा।
My time to shine.
ये देख बना रहे ना रास्ता। आई किया people for the win! Yeah!
अरे टैक रे
Let's go! Lovely!
कड़क
बहुत ही बढ़िया।
मजा आ गया। हक है भाई।
I appreciate IKEA people. And I'm wearing my seatbelt. So this time I will not go through the window. Although आते हुए मैं almost गई थी. And then Rohan was like, "You dumbass! Put on your seatbelt."
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं बोला मैंने, मतलब मरना नहीं है तो सीट बेल्ट पहन ले।
Okay, his words were खिड़की के बाहर जाती थी सीधा सामने।
हाँ,
तो like that is
exactly.
more of his equal to dumbass.
हाँ, more or less.
Because if I had brains, I would have known that
Bro,
already.
directions देना मेरे को, मैं मतलब बहुत bad हूँ directions.